Welcome back to Joe's Garden. Now today is all about hostas, planting hostas in a dry and difficult position, obviously underneath this Christmas tree. What to do with a hosta which has been eaten by slugs and snails. First job I'm going to do, I'm going to plant the hosta in here. So I've dug the hole, now I'm going to line it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a layer of pea gravel in the bottom. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to water it in. And then I'm going to put drainage hole just above the pea gravel. Because obviously I don't want it to be a bog garden. And then I'm going to put my favourite stuff in, farmyard manure. This is going to retain the water. Now the hosta I'm going to plant in this hole is called Hosta Summon Substance. Now it'll have beautiful green and yellow leaves, and it also it'll take a bit of shade and semi-shade. Now put it in here. Now we'll have beautiful yellow and green leaves. Done. That's beautiful there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to backfill it with my farmyard manure. And then I'm going to put a bit of soil back in. Now this hosta, it's got to be in a moist soil. Beautiful, like that. Put the label in. And then I'm going to mulch it. I'm going to mulch it with mud lamb's fleece. This is beautiful stuff. It acts as a deterrent to the slugs and snails, and it's also, I'll water it in. Beautiful. Put a bit more around it. That's it. That will do that. Right. Now the other hosta I'm going to plant it in this tub. Now I've been given this hosta by a friend of mine, and it was badly eaten by slugs and snails. Now what we're going to do with this, we're going to wash all the soil off. The reason being, this could contain a lot of eggs, which we don't want. And what we do, crocks in the bottom of the pot. And then the mix I'm going to use in here, farm hard manure with a bit of peat-free compost. In pot. Right, now the host I'm going to put in here is called Alan P. McCornell, given to me by a good friend of mine. I'm going to put that in there like that beautifully, and then I'm going to feed it. I'm going to put some slow release granules in there. Then I'm going to add some more mix. Now I'm going to add a layer of grit on the top. And now we put the label in. Now I'm going to put this with the rest. Now I've got one more job to do. In my last video I showed you how to mix the garlic solution up, which I've got in there. So we shake it up and we spray it all over. Now hopefully this will protect them. Brilliant. Hope that helps. Until next time.